Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to delete a Telegram account permanently. Before we start the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. First of all, open your Telegram account. From the top right side, click on three lines. Then go to Settings. After that, scroll down and click on Telegram FAQ. Again, scroll down, and from the section called Your Account, click on Delete Your Telegram Account. Once again, scroll down and then click on Deactivation Page. Here, type your account number with your country code and then click on Next. Now, you will receive a code on your Telegram account. Type this code in the message box and then copy it. After that, click on the given link. From the bottom of the screen, click on Authorization. Here, paste the code you copied earlier and then click on Sign In. From there, click on Delete Account option. Now scroll down, and here you can write a message about why you are going to delete the account. Then click on Delete My Account. Finally, click on Yes, delete my account. That's it, your account is deleted. So friends, this is the way you can delete your Telegram account by following these steps. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.